Not panels cut to size, not parts pulled from inventory. Solid hardwood selected by hand. Every board is inspected, every grain considered, each piece chosen for strength and for character. We mill it ourselves on machines that have served for decades, not because they're old, but because they're precise. We saw, we shape, we laminate, and we clamp, forming solid hardwood cabinetry built for structure, built for balance, built for decades of use. Edges are shaped by hand, joints are measured by hand, every detail fitted with intention. This isn't factory assembly, it's craftsmanship. The legs, the cabinets, the way every line flows from one piece to the next. Fine furniture construction, not temporary construction. Built one table at a time in Michigan. Designed not for this season, but for the next generation and the one after that. Some things are made to sell. Other things are built to last. McClure Tables, built to last generations.